Hello and welcome to this video. This is Damo DGC, and once again we're doing another video on this laptop. This is the HP Envy 15-inch laptop that we're doing, and I finally managed to get myself a 1TB Seagate hard drive. As you can see, there, if you can see it right. I'm sorry for the pathetic camera on this phone, but however, this is a Seagate 1TB hard drive. As I said, this is a 2.5-inch hard drive, modern hard drive that I bought off Amazon. And I think it only cost me $29.99 for this. So yes, anyway, let's get into it and let's get it fitted into this laptop, so we can finally get the Windows on. And I'm going to use my Windows 11 USB, which has actually now got Windows 10 on it. So I'm going to use this. And right, anyway, let's get this done. So first of all, we need to unplug it, and we'll unplug this here. Now, I know it's a bit of a mess on this desk, but I am currently sorting everything out. Oops, no, we need a good... we need this screwdriver. Right, so we need to take battery out. There's the battery. And then we need to... Oh yeah, forgot. I didn't actually screw it in, did I? Oh, I hate this. Why did he do this? There we go. Nice little clips. One of them clips will fail one of these days, and I'll snap them off. But oh, everything seems to be on here. So now we need to take this hard drive out. This is the defunct, if you remember from the last video, this is the defunct 1TB Seagate original original laptop. In this is actually the original one. As you remember, this thing has got some weird malfunction on it. I don't know if the heads have been crashed on it, but it refuses to boot. I did try and do another video on this a few days ago using this hard drive, because I managed to get a copy of Windows 10 on this USB. However, it didn't work. Yes, it installed. It went through the first part of the installation, but when it went to reboot, we saw a nice little warning message. The really annoying warning message, should I say, in it. Oh God, right. I'm gonna have to... Where's my scissors? Right, doing this one-handed isn't very good. I'm gonna have to cut this because I can't get into this thing before. So I'll be back in just a second. Right, so I finally managed to get this thing open. Right, so let's have a look at this. This is a, I think that's best I'm going to do. This is a 1TB 54 RPM laptop hard drive, I think it is. Is it 54? I think it's a 54 RPM laptop hard drive, but it doesn't matter if it's a 72 speed or 54 speed, it will do. Right, so we can have this on it. So where is the thing? Oh, it's done it now. See, right, so now I've got to put this back on. Trying to do this all one-handed isn't a really good thing. Bingo. Let's do it. Let's just see if it's all in. Yes, that amazingly I managed to do with one hand. I wish you could say that about most things. But anyway, changing the subject. Right, so... Oh, God. Where's all my... There we go. We're in. And that's definitely what she said. That's a nice little snug little fit there. Right, so that I think is securely in. That stops it rattling around. Oh God, I forgot. I need to put this in. Now, I don't want to actually do it. I think that's all right. All in. Right. Show. Let's see if this hard drive actually works. This is the first. I actually got this hard drive yesterday, but I was a bit busy with Easter stuff. Alright. So yes, as I said, I got this hard drive yesterday, but I've only managed to put it in the laptop today because I was busy out with other life and everything like that. Yep, so I've only managed to install it in today and check that the hard drive does actually work. I didn't want to install it all offline, sorry, off video, because basically I wanted to have this as a recording of my journey. So yes, right. Right, I'm very, very sorry if you can hear a bit of rustling in the background. The cat's doing a business. So, I swear that cat does actually uses that bloody cat tray at the most inconvenient times. Right, so we need to. Right, so showtime. Let's see if this actually works. So it's. I can't even see if it's actually. What am I doing now? Right. Trying to get this bloody done here now. Right. Yeah, I want to disable secure boot. So disable. No, I want to keep that enabled actually. Right. So I can't. F10. Oh. Right. It's actually gonna do it. Right. So let's see if we can actually get this installed. Right, so we want yes, okay. Now my worry is it's not the actual, it's not the actual laptop. Sorry, it's not the actual hard drive that was faulty. It's the actual the laptop. However, if that is the case, then I cannot install anything. Right, so let's see. Right, so we will, I'll skip this because I don't want to have you sitting here through all boredom. So I will be back, and plus I'm running out of memory on my phone. So I'm gonna come back when this thing is in the next stage of the installation, just to check if it's actually working. So I'll be back pretty soon. Right, now it's restarted. Let's just see how it gets on. It's finished its initial installation, and then oops, let's see how it gets on with this. Might actually do it this time. Nope, it's back on here. Right. So now we need to press F. Oh, I have to exit. Hang on. Yes. Let's just wait until it install, see if it actually reboots. I've had this one with other laptops of this era. Yeah, well, where it'll keep doing this. Right, I think I know what the problem is. I think I know what the... Oh, fuck off. Right, I think I know what the problem is. Oh, no. Right, so... I need to stop using them keys. Right, so it's boot options. Boot manager F6. Right, I think that is the actual problem with it. I'm sorry if you can hear dogs in the background. It may actually try and pull the thing off the hard drive. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. Hopefully I'll get into another installation where it all sets it up. See, this is the thing is with these sorts of laptops. They do not like to be messed around. Yeah, starting services. Right. See, Windows should have been installed. Getting all devices ready. Getting the devices ready 3366. 100. Ready. Right. Let's see if I can get into Windows. Now I may need to add my own account on here, but I think I've still got an allocation for Windows 10 on my account. If not, I'll probably have to buy another key, which will cost me another £20 instead of 200 quid. See, this is the furthest I've ever got this laptop. Last time, if you remember, it was doing that boot loop sort of thing. It was displaying that stupid smart error. Now, I'm hoping that this thing actually sorts itself out. Let's just see if it does. Now, this isn't an ultra fast laptop. It's not a Ryzen laptop. It's not like the computer. This is an A6 or 10, I think it was. A10, sorry, I think it was. Laptop. So, yeah. But, however, we will refresh the specs once I get the bleeding laptop up and running. Oh, right, well, while this is doing this, I'll pause it and wait until it gets into the install, because this may take quite a while to get ready, because we're delving into the speed of mechanical hard drives and all that. So I'll be back in just a second. Oh, I think we've got some life in it. It just restarted. I didn't catch the initial thing, but it had a cursor pointer there, and now it's rebooting. So is it going to load into Windows? Is it going to give me the finalized setup? I don't know, but I've got 4 minutes on my bloody phone. Freaking hell. Oh, this is good. This is what we need. This is more like it. I love how it says wait just a moment, and yet you're waiting for freaking ages. I'll be back when this is done, the next part. Right, so we finally got into the final setup. So let's see, just like Katana there. I never really used her anyway. Right, I need to really get this done. Right, yes, continue. Skip. Just want this all set up. Right, I'm gonna have to put in me thing, so I'll be back in a moment. Right, so that's the internet setup. That's that's the Wi-Fi setup on this. So let's just do this. Right, now we are putting important bloody Nova. I'm very sorry if there's sudden skips in this. I'm just trying to get as much recorded on here as possible, but I will put my account on here, so I'll be back in a moment. Right, so that's all account set up. So now I need to select a pin. Right, so that's a pin sorted. Right, we don't want any of this rubbish, so no, 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 no. Right. Skip that for the time being. No thanks. I'm gonna have to stop the recording here for a minute. Only save on the PC. Right. I finally cleared off some memory off me computer. Sorry, off the phone. And now let's continue on with this. Excuse me, install. Right, so no, I don't want that. Windows, no. Right, not right now. Oh, excuse me. Right. So this is the final part of the setup. And the next thing is I've got to get the drivers on here. Which is the good thing about the HP, or specifically any modern HP, is as long as you've got a laptop, probably in the last, I think it's about 10 years, you can easily get the drivers because they make it all simple by giving you just one exe, and that, yes, it is a bit of more of a bloatware, if you would like to call it like that, which it is really. But it gives you access to all the drivers, so you don't have to go around and download half a dozen files or something. I mean, you can download them individually. But it's the one good thing with HP, and I think Acer does the same. I think all of them actually do the same, actually. Remember right. Probably talking out my arse, but never mind. Right, now if it has enabled my if it has enabled my accounts, it should come up with a custom background. I think it's the loppy background. Oh, whoa, there's a little Easter bunny there. Oh, right, let's see if this is actually enabled. Yes, it has. It has. Yeah, there we go. There's my account, Demo DGC. Right, so it's all done. Now I've got to download the files to it. So let's just see, before I do that, let's just see if this thing boots up and does a nice clean install. Sorry, nice clean boot up. So we need to take out USB. Right. Let's... Oh, I don't like the white background, I'll tell you. I prefer the... Right. Let's shut it down. Let's shut it down and let's see if it actually boots up. Not how fast it boots up. Let's just see if it boots up properly. Is it going to boot up? Hey, there we go. See, a new hard drive, £29, bargain. Now, the thing is talking to my sister, who I actually got this off. It was my nephew's. I didn't want to highlight that issue in the last, but she said, chuck it. If it doesn't work, chuck it. But I thought, nah, I'll get it working. And look what we've got here. We've got a workable laptop, saved from the dump heap, saved from the scrap heap, saved from the skip, saved from the landfill, and this thing should be rocking pretty much for years to come. I mean, the battery, actually, is it worth? Yeah, it's charging. The battery, in effect, still works. I mean, this isn't that old of a laptop. I think it's 2014, 15, I think it was, when the OS was installed. I can't remember what then. It's a bit hard to check now, but the BIOS goes back to, I think it's 2014. And I don't think they make this laptop anymore, obviously, because it's an old dead architecture now. I don't even think AMD do this processor anymore. But let's just see. Right, so let's just see if I put my pin in right. Hey, there we go. Oh, these two, feck off. Look, I told you all, remind no thanks. Fucking my room. See, this is what annoys me with Windows 10. Windows 10, no, I do not want fucking OneDrive. I don't use it. I use Google Drive when I have to, but I don't particularly like using it because it's slow as balls, basically. Oh, I don't want that. I thought I'd already gone through all this. Oh, no, don't. Oh, balls it. No. Asking for my credit card. That's the danger. Do not ever put in your credit card details when it says, no, I do not want. Decline. Thank you. I keep pressing continue. I don't know why I did that. Decline. No. Bollocks. Next. Yeah. We are done. Little kitty. Right. So, temperature drop. What's this? Oh, 10. Hey, it's 10 degrees C. Better not click on that because that'll give me fucking location down. No. Whoa, that's close. Right. What do we need? Oh, fuck off. No. Right. Thank you. Right. That's it. I'll sign in later. Yep. AM10. AM10 5750M APU. Yep. So everything's home. Oh, fuck. Right, so a couple of days have passed since the last bit, and now I'm going to actually time of how long this is actually going to take to boot up. So it's it's now currently got Windows 10 Pro on it. It did have Home, but I ended up upgrading it to Pro. I forgot that I already purchased Pro on my account. So anyway, and it's also had all of its drivers installed and everything, so it will actually hopefully start up on its factory settings. So let's go. So 3, 2, 1, here we go. Right, now you will see a timer at the bottom half of the screen. Hopefully you will. And yep, now this is it booting up. It is plugged in, by the way. I plugged it all in. Yep, all the wires here. I need to sort them out in the soon. Right, so it's booted up. Right, so now we need to log in. Right, so take probably about 5-10 seconds off the actual time it took to log in, but now it's logging in. Yep, and I think it is actually, yep, I think it's all booted up now. And right, so there we go. There's the Windows 10 running on my HP Envy 15 laptop from 2014. And yep, I'd like to thank everyone for viewing this video and for supporting this channel. And for now, it is bye-bye from me, but please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments please don't forget to share them. Share this video, and I hope you have all had a good Easter weekend, and I will see you all next time on another video. Bye for now. Bye.